Hi, so this is the video I published 2 years ago in 2020, which is about how to make money on Instagram. And in this video I actually show you how you can actually get to make money on Instagram, and I actually get to show you how much I made and how I actually got paid. So in today's video I'm going to try out this same method I posted and see how much I'm going to make in 2022. So on this time when I made this video I had about 1,000 followers on Instagram, but I currently have over about 6,000. As of now I currently have about 6,000 followers on Instagram. So I'm going to try out this method again and see how much money I'm going to make this time. So let me just summarize what this video is all about. So this video is actually about creating an account with Into Influence. So Into Influence is actually a marketplace that connects brands or companies with influencers like you. But the good part when it comes to Into Influence, even if you have got a 500 followers or 1,000 or 2,000, you can still create an account and you'll be able to receive offers. So what you actually do there is companies contact you through the platform, okay, and they pay you to post things on your Instagram account, on your status. And once you do that, sometimes you can as well send products and you test the products and make a review about them and they pay you. So that is what Into Influence does. So I'm going to try out Into Influence again for the next 30 days and see how much money I'm going to make in 2022. So if you'd like to get notified once the video is done in the next 30 days, so all you have to do is simply subscribe to my channel so that you get notified when I'm going to post that video. So if you learned something from this video, give it a like. For more videos like this, go on and subscribe. Bye for now.